For people who are deaf or hard of hearing, Apple had introduced a fascinating accessibility feature called Music Haptics in iOS 18. When activated, it makes your iPhone play a variety of haptics such as taps, textures, and refined variations in correspondence with the music you are listening to. Having used this neat music feature, I must say that it is pretty cool and can spice up your music listening experience. That said, let me show you how to easily enable and customize Music Haptics on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. To get started, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Then you have to scroll down and choose Accessibility. Then you have to scroll down to the Hearing section and select Music Haptics. After that, make sure that the toggle next to Music Haptics is turned on. And if you wish to figure out how it works, tap on the Play Sample. Under the Available Apps section, you should see the list of apps that support Music Haptics. As of now, it works only with Apple Music. From now onward, your iPhone will play Music Haptics in sync with the songs currently playing on your device. Powered by iPhone's Haptic engine, Music Haptics has support for millions of songs in the Apple Music app. Moreover, it has also been released as an API for developers so that they can add Music Haptics to their apps as well. Hence, you can use this feature with third-party apps as well in future. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily enable and customize Music Haptics on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.